You searched how to buy shares of Husqvarna AB. Husqvarna is a Swedish maker of outdoor power products like chainsaws and robotic lawnmowers, listed on CBOE with ticker HUSQA.ST. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker HUSQA.ST to find the stock. Choose the Husqvarna AB result that matches the CBOE listing. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Check that the exchange shows CBOE and the ticker HUSQA.ST. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, the new position appears in your portfolio for monitoring. For the same platform steps, see the link in the description.